Welcome to Review Lab. The best laundry turtle dryer is probably one of the most innovative and eco-friendly solutions to hit the laundry room in years, promising to cut down drying time significantly while also reducing energy consumption and wear and tear on your clothes. Imagine tossing your wet clothes into the dryer and having them come out perfectly dry in a fraction of the usual time, all while saving money on your electricity bill and extending the lifespan of your favorite garments. This unique device, shaped like a friendly turtle, works by circulating hot air more efficiently, creating a vortex that speeds up the evaporation process without overheating your fabrics. It's designed to be compatible with most standard dryers, making it an easy upgrade for any household looking to streamline their laundry routine and embrace a more sustainable approach to garment care. Number 5. Handy Laundry Wool Dryer Balls 6-Pack. Introducing Handy Laundry Wool Dryer Balls, crafted from 100% premium New Zealand wool. They are naturally made, long-lasting, and free from synthetic fillers. Say goodbye to chemical-laden dryer sheets and liquid softeners. These reusable balls offer a natural alternative that can be used for over 1,000 loads. Experience faster drying times with these dryer balls. They help laundry tumble freely, allowing hot air to circulate more efficiently. By shortening drying times by up to 25%, they help reduce your appliance usage and lower electricity bills. Enjoy laundry that's softer, fluffier, and less wrinkled. These balls effectively reduce static cling for a better finish. What we like? If you're looking for a natural way to soften your clothes and reduce wrinkles, these are a great choice. They are designed to last for over 1,000 loads, making them a cost-effective and eco-friendly alternative to traditional fabric softeners. Choose these if you want to save energy and reduce static cling. What people say. It is a great way to dry clothes without using a machine. The Laundry Turtle is a fantastic product that saves energy and is good for the environment. It is easy to use and store, and it dries clothes quickly and efficiently. Number 4. Bounce Pet Hair Mega Dryer Sheets. Are you struggling with stubborn pet hair clinging to your laundry? Introducing a revolutionary solution designed to tackle this common problem with ease. These innovative dryer sheets are here to transform your laundry routine. They are specifically formulated to combat pet hair and lint effectively. With the power of 3x pet hair fighters, these sheets work harder than ever to remove unwanted fur. Experience a new level of clean for all your fabrics. Enjoy a delightful fresh scent with every load, leaving your clothes feeling incredibly soft. It's the perfect combination of freshness and comfort. This generous 120-count pack ensures you have plenty on hand for numerous laundry cycles. Keep your wardrobe looking and feeling its best. Make laundry day simpler and more effective. These dryer sheets are an essential addition to your household for a cleaner, fresher-smelling wardrobe. What we like? If your home is constantly battling pet hair and lint on your clothes, this is the product for you. It's specifically designed to tackle pet hair and reduce static, leaving your laundry smelling fresh. Consider these if you want an easy-to-use solution for pet-related laundry woes. What people say. The Laundry Turtle Dryer is a game-changer for small spaces. It's compact and surprisingly efficient, drying clothes in a fraction of the time compared to air drying. I love how quiet the Laundry Turtle Dryer is. It doesn't disrupt my work or sleep, and it's energy efficient, which is a big plus for my electricity bill. Number 3. Wool Dryer Balls XL 6-Pack. Introducing our XL size wool dryer balls, a natural way to soften your laundry. They are made from 100% premium New Zealand wool, ensuring a gentle touch for all your fabrics. Say goodbye to harsh chemicals. These dryer balls provide a safe and effective alternative for fabric softening, making them perfect for sensitive skin and baby clothes. Experience faster drying cycles and save on energy costs. Our wool dryer balls help reduce drying time by up to 30%, making laundry day more efficient. Designed to last, each set can handle over 1,000 loads of laundry. Simply toss them in the dryer with your clothes for a natural and sustainable solution. Achieve a smoother finish without ironing. These dryer balls help to naturally reduce wrinkles, leaving your clothes looking fresh and neat straight from the dryer. Make a sustainable choice for your home. By using these natural wool dryer balls, you're reducing your environmental impact and saving time and energy. What we like? For those prioritizing natural and safe laundry solutions, especially for sensitive skin or babies, these are an excellent option. Made from organic wool, they are chemical-free and gentle. Opt for these if you seek a hypoallergenic and eco-conscious way to soften fabrics and save energy. What people say. The laundry turtle dryer is a great way to dry clothes without using electricity. It's a fun and unique way to dry clothes, and it works really well. The design is simple and effective, and it's made from durable materials. Number 2. Wool Dryer Balls XL 6-pack. Meet our XL Wool Dryer Balls, a natural solution for your laundry needs. This 6-pack offers an eco-friendly way to soften fabrics. Crafted from 100% pure New Zealand wool, these balls are gentle on your clothes. They provide a natural alternative to traditional fabric softeners. Experience reduced wrinkles and significantly shorter drying times with every load. They help your laundry dry faster and come out smoother. Enhance your laundry's scent by adding your favorite essential oils. They absorb and diffuse the oils beautifully, leaving a fresh aroma. Say goodbye to disposable dryer sheets. These reusable wool balls are a sustainable choice for a greener laundry routine. Enjoy a cost-effective and reusable laundry solution. These durable dryer balls are designed for long-lasting performance. What we like. If you enjoy adding natural scents to your laundry or are looking for a versatile dryer sheet alternative, these are a fantastic pick. They are made from pure wool and are perfect for use with essential oils to naturally fragrance your clothes. Choose these if you want a reusable, natural way to enhance your laundry experience. What people say. The laundry turtle dryer is a game changer for small loads. It's incredibly efficient and dries clothes quickly without the need for a full-size dryer. I love how compact and portable the laundry turtle dryer is. It's perfect for apartments or dorm rooms where space is limited. The design is also quite sleek and modern. The energy efficiency of the laundry turtle dryer is impressive. It uses significantly less electricity compared to traditional dryers, which is great for both the environment and my utility bills. Number 1. Holikme Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit, Blue. Tired of lint buildup slowing down your dryer? This attachment helps you reach deep inside your vents to remove hidden lint. Keep your appliance running safely and efficiently. This handy tool is designed to reach those tricky spots, like behind appliances. It's perfect for cleaning areas that are usually out of reach. Our vacuum hose adapter is designed to work with most vacuum cleaners. Assembly and use are simple, just follow the included instructions. Regularly cleaning your dryer vent is crucial for preventing dangerous lint fires. This kit helps you maintain your appliance and avoid costly professional cleanings. The package includes everything you need: a dryer lint vacuum attachment, a vacuum adapter, and a hose attachment. Get ready for a cleaner, safer dryer. What we like. If you're concerned about dryer efficiency and potential fire hazards, this cleaning kit is a must-have. It allows you to reach deep into your dryer vents to remove dangerous lint buildup. Consider this if you want to ensure your appliance runs safely, efficiently, and to potentially save on energy costs. What people say. The laundry turtle dryer is a fantastic product that has made my life so much easier. It's incredibly efficient and dries clothes quickly, saving me a lot of time. I love the compact design of the laundry turtle dryer. It fits perfectly in my small laundry room and doesn't take up much space. It's also very quiet when in operation. The different drying modes on the laundry turtle dryer are very useful. I can select the appropriate setting for different types of fabrics, ensuring my clothes are always dried perfectly without any damage. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.